So what is up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to make a part activate a line of code whenever you touch it. So to start it off, you put a part down and then you put a script in it. You can name the part whatever you want. So now you're going to go into the script and you're going to do local. I'm just going to name it part equals game.workspace.part. And the reason we're doing this is so you don't have to put this big line of code whenever you're going to put it inside a script. In the script, when you're going to put it into another part. So then you're going to do local function, and then you're just going to name the function whatever you want, and then you do space and then a parenthesis. So like this. I'm just going to name it part fall. You can name it whatever. I'm just going to make the part fall and change colors whenever a player touches it, and then you have to do space and then these parentheses. And then we're gonna put whatever you want the function to do whenever the function is when the function gets activated, or when someone runs it or the script runs it. So you're gonna do part dot anchored equals false. So whenever you touch it and it runs this function, it's gonna make the part unanchor. And since this is named part, I'm going to name this test just so you know what I mean. I'm going to name it test. Since this is part, it would not work. So we're going to put test. So it's basically going to make this part right here unanchor without having to unanchor it by unanchoring it, because you can't do that while you're in a game online. So I'm also going to make it test.brickcolor equals brickcolor.new, and then these parentheses, and then these speech marks, and then I'm going to choose a color, which I'm going to name it to, I'm going to make it bright blue. So basically whenever you touch it, it's going to change this to bright blue, which is which one of these? Whatever one of these will be activated whenever this, will change to this instead of that, whenever the parts get touched. So I think that's it. So this is it. That's it for this part. And you're gonna do you're gonna enter 2 times. Press enter 2 times, and you're gonna do test dot touched, and then these 2 dots connect, and then you're gonna put the code, the function, which is part fall. So whenever the part gets touched, it's gonna run the function part fall, which is gonna make this fall and change colors. So whenever you go back to here, start the thing. Whenever I walk to it, it's gonna fall and it's gonna change colors. Just so you see that it fell, I'm gonna go to the base plate. I'm gonna move, and I'm gonna move it up. I'm also gonna make a part above it, and I'm gonna put it all the way up here. And this is not, what is it? It's not anchored, so it's gonna fall and it's gonna touch it and it's gonna fall again. So you should do this run, just because I don't want to enter the game. It's gonna fall, and then it fell. So you can also do it so it prints something after. You can do print hi, or speech marks hi, or part has been touched. I'm gonna do that. Part has been touched. So whenever you run this, it's gonna do that, and then part has been touched. Since this bounces like this, and it like kind of just goes like that, it activates this a lot of times. Like, see what I mean? Whenever you do that and it falls, it goes an extra 2 times because it bounces. It goes down and then it goes back up and then down. So you can do that, but I'm just gonna keep this print script out of the thing, and instead just show you that it does change colors. I'm gonna make it to really red. So whenever we run this, it's gonna touch and it's gonna make it really red. So I hope that helped you guys with a bit of the code that needs to be put into making a part fall. You don't need to do all of this code to make it work. You can do any code that you want in here to make it run. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another scripting video.